Hey moguls, it's Dr. T here, and our focus today is all about the quantum mogul and really unlocking the power of human design to architect your ultimate reality. Now, if you've ever felt like you were meant for more, right? More power, more wealth, more influence, and yet you couldn't figure out why things weren't flowing, this video will change your life. All right, you're in the right place. I'm Dr. Tracy Thomas, also known as Dr. T, your mogul maker, and really your quantum transformation advisor. I help powerful people like you really become the most influential moguls, empire builders, dynasty creators, and destiny changers that they can be. People who are here to be really big transformational contributors to humanity. Now, the upgrade we're doing today, again, is really the quantum mogul, all about how to unlock the power of your human design to architect a reality that is so aligned, so abundant, and so activated that it rewires your entire life. Okay. So stay all the way through this amazing upgrade because this is a multi-million dollar frequency upgrade, moguls. It's going to transform your life, your legacy, and your lineage forever. Let's get started on this upgrade because the truth about reality architecture is this. The old matrix told you that if you just work harder, you'll succeed. But in this new quantum era, the real power belongs to those who understand this one truth. Reality is not random, it's programmable. And you are the programmer if you know the programming codes. Think about it. All over the world, people are born, they're in different countries, different areas, different cities, different towns. They're programmed with languages, traditions. It's all programming. Everything. If they're a culture that drinks a lot, if they're a culture that stuffs their feelings, if they're a culture that is very studious, everything is programmed. Okay, and that's why you need to know the codes for your human design, which is your energetic operating system. And this is the thing that holds the blueprint of your destiny. It shows you your strengths, what your decisions are, your strategy, your truth. Okay, so listen, mogul. The wealth that you want, the love that you crave, the power you were born for, it's all unlocked through your energetic architecture. Okay, so comment below. I am ready to operate in my full human design. All right, and don't forget to like this video also if you're feeling this upgrade so far. So, what is human design really? Human design is not a personality quiz or a mindset hack, right? It's an ancient meets futuristic synthesis of astrology, the I Ching, the Kabbalah, the chakra system, and my favorite one of all, quantum physics and quantum mechanics. Okay, so with all of this combined, the human design reveals how your life force is flowing, how life is flowing through you, and what you are here to master. The way you want to think of it is how reality is doing as it flows through you, through your human design with the filter that you are, and whether or not you're operating on the top of the frequency so the flow can come through you and make reality, or if you're down on the bottom in the old matrix programming of slavery, it'll be hard for you to be a part of the actual circuitry of life force energy, divine source energy and flow. Okay. So there are 5 main types in human design. You are either a manifester, which is the initiator, here to begin movements. They start things, they give directions. That's how it works. They speak it into reality. The generator, the builder, designed to master your craft. They are the makers, they have the motors, they are 70 plus percent of the population, where the manifestors are 9%. And then the manifesting generator, the multi-dimensional builder and time bender. The MGs are who everyone wants to be, because they can both speak something into reality and make it with their energy that is running consistently, right? They're the only ones with the energy. Everyone else is in their world. Then there's the reflector, 1% of the population. These are the mirrors. They are here to sense and calibrate the collective. And then there is the projector. They are the guides, here to raise the frequency of reality into a success frequency and a state of flow. And they're here to direct and lead. That's what I am. I am a projector. That's what I'm doing here. Each type comes with a strategy, a way of being strategically, a decision making authority, how they make decisions emotionally, sacrally, mentally, intuitively, and a specific path to sovereignty and success. And your human design is what's going to determine the exact purpose and role you are playing, because you were brought in as a part of the system. And this is what you're here to be creating, and you have to know what that is. So when you live according to your human design, reality begins to obey you, moguls. Doors open, energy flows, the right people, partnerships, and profit paths show up, and your life stops being hard and starts being flowing. Because if you try to work against your own human design, you cannot live your purpose. It is impossible, which is why so many people are sick, miserable, and I hate to say it, and dying off, killing themselves, all of that stuff. Okay. Becoming a quantum mogul. Okay. A quantum mogul doesn't just hustle for success, they activate their destiny. And using human design, you can recode your inner software for power, clarity, and prosperity. Okay. You can align your actions with your highest purpose. You can unblock your wealth channels, right? This is very important. And you can unleash mogul level relationships and a power couple alignment. You can also, which is amazing, ascend into multidimensional living and flowing, where time collapses and everything comes faster, more flowing, more easy. Okay, so this is not self help, moguls. This is self sovereignty. And the world is desperate for leaders who live from their design, not from some default programming in your country of origin, which is all led by governmental agencies that are nothing more in the matrix as a mechanism for the power structure. The small percentage of people truly running the man made reality to extract from the rest of the masses. It is simply a mechanism, the predator and the prey. So we don't want to be living by default thinking life is the way we're experiencing it. No, that's not the way the creator made it. The creator made us to be sovereign, to live our purpose. It is the man made power structure who created a governmental mechanism, or just a mechanism, to extract and literally extract the life force out of people on every level, controlling and colonizing. And then we go, oh, why did God make the world this way? God didn't make the world that way. Okay, that was made by the people controlling the reality field. No, your creator made you with a human design. And you're not here to lead from that other paradigm. You're here to lead life and build and grow and create from who you literally were designed to be. So imagine a planet where everyone was living out their highest encoded blueprint. We'd be going in the direction we're supposed to be going. It would be a whole different world. Okay. That's the sad part about what the power structure and the system has done in the old paradigm matrix. They have literally suppressed all the potential out of the masses. And we are here on this channel and in my companies, the International Moguls Club, the Empire Company, and the Dynasty Company. We are here to create a shift where you are going to rise in the frequency. You're going to live by your human design so you can absolutely live your ultimate destiny. And you're invited to be a part of it. Okay, so if you're getting value so far, please subscribe to the channel and share this with someone else who needs to unlock their human design. Let's complete this upgrade, okay? The wealth of alignment is what is needed, moguls. Let's be clear. Alignment with your human design equals wealth. Alignment with your human design equals vitality. Your system can run the way it was meant to be. And alignment with your human design equals influence. And you know what that means? It means you influence reality the way the creator sends reality in through you, filtered through your human design, making reality what it is supposed to be and the way you're supposed to participate it in this lifetime and this go round. And that kind of wealth, vitality, and influence is what being a mogul is all about. The mogul identity simply means a powerful creator that creates a powerful, positively influential reality. The opposite is true, though, where disalignment creates confusion, dysfunction, distortion, illness, chaos, confusion on every level. But when you return to your original design, you live by your own design system and code, your frequency becomes magnetic. You live in a flow state and reality bends in your favor because you're a reality maker. You're not outside reality. Reality is trying to have you be in the circuitry of it. And of course, it wants to come through you and give you everything and have you share the circuitry. It is the man made matrix of reality that you thought was reality. Question what this was all about. It is not what reality is. Reality is the creator made you as a reality maker, made you as a mogul, being someone powerful and influential in the system of reality the creator created. And you are no longer a chaser. You are no longer going to be someone that's so down the frequency that reality can't even put you in the circuitry of wealth. You're not a chaser, you're a creator, moguls. Okay, so this is the key to the whole thing. And even becoming a legendary mogul that contributes to humanity and has this amazing way that that can go on into infinity, right? Because it's not just about being rich in money, but it is about being rich in meaning, movement, and multidimensionality. And I want to help you unlock it. So, one thing you're going to do is you're going to go in the comment section and you're going to say, I am a quantum mogul. And you're going to go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet for consistent mogul upgrades to get you into your top highest frequency that activates your human design operating system into mogul level. You're going to like this video. Okay. If you're feeling more empowered and enlightened than you came in. Okay. And mogul, I want you to know I celebrate you for making this quantum shift today. You have upgraded. Your divine DNA has been activated. Your reality reprogrammed and your frequency totally upgraded. And so I'm going to invite you to commit at least one mogul upgrade a day, what we call in our company mogul ups, right? One upgrade a day, one video, one aligned action a day, like just doing that already will make sure that you start operating at your highest level. Now, in the description of this video, you can go in and you can click on the link and you can get your free human design report. It's going to tell you what you are, and then you're going to know what your purpose is. And as you do these upgrades and these videos and become part of this movement, this mogul high frequency movement, it's going to absolutely upgrade your whole multidimensional reality. It's going to send you in the direction of your higher destiny, because when you're in a high frequency, you go to the high destiny. When you're low frequency, you go, well, you know where you go. Okay. And this is just the beginning. This is where your quantum reality starts to reign, moguls. So, way to do this upgrade. And let's have you go ahead and move into the next upgrade with one of these videos. All right, moguls. See you soon. Bye bye.